Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90. We're going to be doing some hood pistons. The pistons basically just hold up the hood so when you're working under it, it doesn't come down and bonk you in the head. Nobody wants to get hurt by it, especially twice in one day. So for now, I'm just going to use these. I'm going to hold that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start over on the other side of the vehicle. The upper end of this has a little clip. We're just going to grab that, try to pull it out. Use a small screwdriver, just pry that clip out of there. I'm going to do the same to the lower side. If you were just taking these off and you weren't actually replacing them, you don't have to pull the clip all the way out. But since I'm replacing them, I just took it out because it makes my life a little bit easier at this point. I'll just grab it. And there's our hood shock. We'll go ahead and replace this. So here we are, friends, a quick product comparison for you. Over here, we have our hood strut out of our 2004 Volvo XC90. This holds the hood up. Over here, we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. Both these parts are the exact same. You've got the mounting end here. You've got your piston cartridge. Of course, the shaft that goes down into the piston cartridge. And then the upper mount right up along the top. It has everything you need to make this work. I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a quality part to install into the vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. As always, if you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. We're just going to go ahead and install it. To do that, you line it up with the ball down on the bottom, give it a little push. I like to give them a little tug. It's not coming off. We'll grab this one, line it up with the ball, and just push this in. Oops. There it is. Bonk, bonk. Everything's nice and secure. Now we can move over and do the same to the other side of the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.